Hey, Jeff Kelderman, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're coming at you this 2020 F-350 Super Duty Ford. You can see white and red. This thing turned out awesome. So what we're looking at now is our fuel forged. There's kind of a candy red is the theme color of the truck that the customer wanted. So we matched up our accents and our trailing arms to complement the wheels. So these are our radius arms that we make in-house. Got a couple layers here so we can put the logos on it. We also have a caster bolt adjustment so that it's kind of like the Dodges. You take out the factory bolt and it's a greasable bolt. Makes the adjustment of your alignment really easy. Come around here to the side. We've got our Kelderman logo badges to the side of the fender. Come around to the front where this truck really pops. Lights off the Eco-Tint. Got rid of the chrome, changed it out for white and red. Also, as you can see, we did a lot of paint work on the factory front grille. Come down here to our bumper. This is our new Delta series. So it's a light, as you can see, bumper. We did black mesh, did our monster hooks color match with that candy red, and then the rigid lights. Come around, you see our front suspension with our Raptor shocks. That really cool aluminum reservoir mounts on this one. Coming around to the back, you can see our 4-link suspension here. We're also running the Raptor remote reservoir shocks on the rear. And you can see we got our backing plate that matches the wheels and the trailing arms and all the highlighted accents on the truck. The rear of the spare tire goes where we got our airlift 3H controls. Been using airlift for past probably 3 years now. Control system works really nice, and it's really handy having the Bluetooth option on your phone. And then we have our special bracket we made that holds the horn blasters. So when you're running the horn blasters with our Kelderman 3H system, it makes the install really efficient. Come around to the back, we've got our Alpha Series bumper, getting color matched to the color of the truck. We redid the back panel on the tailgate. Instead of silver, we made it to red. So of course we got our air chuck handy for airing up tires. So really cool truck. We had a lot of fun doing this thing. Keep your eyes out. It's going to be headed down the road.